Once upon a time in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a young woman named Maya. She was known for her free-spirited nature and adventurous heart, always seeking new experiences and challenges. Maya's village was steeped in tradition, with its customs and way of life deeply rooted in the past. The villagers took great pride in upholding their age-old traditions, while Maya yearned for change and the excitement it promised. Every year, the village held a grand festival to celebrate their traditions. The festival was a time of merriment and unity, as the villagers came together to honor their ancestors and partake in various rituals. The festival brought a sense of comfort and familiarity to the villagers, but for Maya, it had become predictable and monotonous. One day, an invitation arrived in the village. It was an announcement for a competition that invited participants from all nearby villages to showcase their talents and bring forth new ideas. Maya's eyes sparkled with excitement as she read the invitation. This was her chance to bring about the change she had been yearning for. Maya approached the village elders, expressing her desire to participate in the competition and introduce something fresh and innovative to the festival. The elders, however, were resistant to the idea. They believed that tradition should be upheld without any deviation. They feared that embracing change would diminish the essence of their heritage. Undeterred, Maya decided to forge her own path. She gathered a group of like-minded villagers who shared her passion for change. Together, they brainstormed ideas and worked tirelessly to create something that would honor tradition while infusing it with a touch of modernity. The day of the competition arrived, and Maya's team presented their creation, an exquisite fusion of traditional music and contemporary dance. The performance captivated the audience, leaving them in awe of the seamless blend of old and new. Maya's team won the competition, not only for their exceptional talent but also for their courage to challenge the status quo. The victory stirred mixed emotions among the villagers. Some were inspired by Maya's courage and saw the potential for growth and progress. Others remained staunch defenders of tradition, fearing that change would erode their identity. As the village grappled with these conflicting sentiments, an unexpected turn of events occurred. A powerful storm struck the village, causing significant damage to their homes and disrupting their way of life. Suddenly, the importance of adaptation and resilience became evident. In the face of adversity, Maya and her team sprang into action. They organized relief efforts, bringing together villagers from all walks of life. Boundaries of tradition and change blurred as everyone worked together to rebuild and heal. Through this shared experience, the villagers began to realize that change and tradition were not mutually exclusive. They understood that embracing new ideas did not erase their history but enriched it, allowing them to grow stronger and more resilient. Years passed, and the village thrived, embracing both tradition and change. The festival became a grand celebration of their vibrant past and promising future. Maya's vision of bridging the gap between tradition and innovation had sparked a transformation in the village, fostering unity, progress, and a sense of belonging for all. And so, the story of Maya and her village stands as a testament to the power of change and tradition. It teaches us that honoring our roots while embracing new possibilities can lead to a brighter, more harmonious future. Let us reflect on their journey and contemplate the role of change in our own lives as we navigate the delicate balance between the past and the potential of what lies ahead.